Alright guys, you can call me a great big floppy vagina for the safety gear, but breathing CARC is not exactly high on my priority list. Just to show you guys, this is like 25-30 bucks worth of Harbor Freight Grinder and the Polycarbide discs. This thing has got more paint on it than, well, it's got about as much paint on it as a deuce that's been repainted every, couple of years for 40 years is going to have on it. But check this out, it's kind of interesting. Yeah, that's bare metal. That was fast. That's faster than my Hydro Blaster. For the paint that wasn't chipping and wasn't already weakened, and it's multiple layers, it laughs the Sandblaster because basically that thick paint acts like a cushion, but this just cuts straight through it. Each disc is $5, so pretty much what I'm leaning towards is to use this for the large areas, knock down the bulk of the paint, and I'll go back over it with the Hydro Blaster and phosphoric acid OSPO solution, actually. Phosphoric Prep and Etch, Home Depot special. Stuff doesn't rust, and it's bare metal. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll edit this together later.